In this tutorial, I'll show you how to paste dates into a database column in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to copy dates from Excel or Google Sheets and have them appear correctly in a Notion date property. Open your spreadsheet and make sure your dates are stored in a standard date format. If needed, format the cells as dates before copying them. Next, select the date cells you want to copy and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Open your Notion database and make sure the destination column is a date property. Click the first cell where you want to paste the dates, then paste them using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Notion will automatically try to recognize the pasted values as dates and fill the corresponding rows. If the dates are in a supported format, they'll be converted into Notion date entries. If the dates don't import correctly, check that your spreadsheet is using a standard date format such as yyyy.mm.dd or another format recognized by Notion. You can also adjust the date format in your spreadsheet and paste the values again. That's how to paste dates into a database column in Notion. Thanks for watching.